It's like the wheels are turning. Can we make this cute? We shall see. What the Hi guys, so today we are going to be doing another thrift challenge. You guys know how much I love thrifting, and I'm here at one of my favorite thrift stores. I'm going to find 3 items to turn out into pieces that you are definitely going to want. So let's go see if I can do it. Let's go. Today we are going to focus on the trends that we will be seeing for spring 2020 just around the corner. So deconstructed tailoring is going to be so fun to find at the thrift. Think blazers as corsets, asymmetrical blazers, things that are frayed, things that look like patchwork, like you deconstructed something to make something new. The next trend is all dressed up with nowhere to go. As I mentioned in my 2020 forecast, garments that are comfy will take priority, but with a punch of pizzazz. Think sleepwear to party wear. The spring 2020 runways were covered with lingerie as outerwear. This goes hand in hand with the aforementioned trend, so think more lace, more transparency, and boudoir. I belong to you. I feel like I always need a cut here because I always find so much stuff. So the first thing that I'm going to look for is actually a blazer because I found this little inspiration. I'm going to put it right here for you, and I really want to recreate that. So I feel like that's definitely something that we can just chop up here. So let's go find her. It's only $3.95. We're taking her home. I'm very happy right now. We are looking for a black long sleeve, not this guy, because feathers for, I feel like the end of 2019 and definitely going into 2020, that is like the thing. So I want to add some feathers. It looks a little wasted, but it might work. Who remembers Anchor Blue? This is vintage, honey. I'm gonna keep it in mind. It's only $2.95. I feel like it could be really cool. Like the wheels are turning. Can we make this cute? We shall see. I'm gonna grab it because it's only $1.95, so we'll see if we can turn it out. Off the shoulder, H&M Basic, only $2. It's a good one. I think it's a little bit big, but I think we can make it work. So we have 3 options. I'm gonna stop, and now I wanna make a really cute set. So we're gonna look through some of the dresses. I'm feeling, let's just start here. Why not? Let's start in the blue section.
Take me to your heart. I belong to you. Take me to your soul.
I don't know what to think. It looks a little cheap, no? I always have to look at belts when I come, but they've been filling. Excuse me? Is you fake news? We love, do we take? This is dope. Am I tripping? Why do I like this? It's like, baby, I'm so ready. Let's see what we find over here. Ooh, why is this kind of pretty? $50. It's pretty though, huh? But to chop it, I can't do that. Yikes. Fashion Nova. More wedding dresses. More Fashion Nova. This is another option. Take out the lining is what I'm thinking. And it can be a little bit more sexy. I think this is the one. We got some good stuff. Okay, it is DIY time. It's been a minute since I busted this little baby out, but it should be fairly easy. We shall see. I'm gonna go ahead and start with the most difficult one. Or should I start with the easiest so I can like gain some confidence? I don't know, maybe just the most difficult because I'm most excited for it. So this is the jaqueta. I'm just going to button it up and snatch it in the back. I'm just gonna spin you guys around over here. So basically, I just picked this up. I think I'm gonna cut it right at the end of this lapel. It even looks so cute like this. This is a cute design too, but I am gonna chop it so we can have a nice little dramatic reveal. This is the before. Don't get too used to it. We're gonna flip it. So I actually thrifted these guys a few months ago, I think back in October. They are, who remembers this brand? Please leave me a comment if you recall. So I'm gonna actually add the feather detail to the pants as well. Just sew it as you guys had seen me do the top. So this DIY is just gonna be strictly cutting. We're gonna make this a little bit sexier. So for this, we'll just do this. And if you want, you guys can hem it so that it's nice and clean. But since we have the lace over top, I'm not too worried about that, and it's just gonna make for a really easy DIY.
Let's just do what you want to. Please don't be polite, cause I like your attitude. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head is me and you. Both speeding, my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna face it, cause it only does this with you. Our bodies meet, I can feel the tension, move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true. We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have it, no regret. We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have it, no regret. She's a mom.
Which of the 4 outfits you would rock in the comments below. Is it outfit 1, that feather set? Is it outfit 2? I ended up keeping the top portion of the blazer, so I created an additional outfit. Is it outfit 3 with the reconstructed corset blazer? Or outfit 4, the dress, which as you saw, I added the briefs and the ribbons as straps just to make it a little cuter. Either way, I hope this inspires you to get a little bit more creative, either with your existing wardrobe or things that you find secondhand, to breathe in new life and add some personal style. I had so much fun creating this video. If you liked it, please leave a like, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.
Feeling like Picasso, she brushing against my hands. Seen you from a